Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Jaguar E-Pace. This one's white. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 240 horsepower and 269 pounds of torque. For wheels we got 18-inch multi-spoke alloys, front and rear LED daytime running lights, S Jaguar badging on the side, black leather interior, panorama sunroof, P250 all-wheel drive, E-Pace badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, blind spot assist, keyless entry, power windows, power seats, steering wheel controls, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, heated seats. This Jaguar has 25,990 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Jaguar E-Pace, check out feldmannimports.com.